For senior professionals, I always say, avoid getting stuck. And let me define stuck. Stuck means your value in your company is higher than your value in the open market, and you don't like where you're working, now you're stuck. Stuck is not lazy. Stuck is not ignorance. You may not know what to do. You can figure things out. You need to work harder. Well, you need to get into practice. That's not stuck. Stuck is really bad. Stuck means you really don't like the job that you're in, but you do know that if you do leave this job, or for whatever reason, if you were let gone, you are not going to be able to get the same value, both financial and scope and role wise, in the open market. And so you absolutely want to avoid getting stuck. And the best way to do that is to upskill and reskill yourself to the next set of emerging skills in the market.